A body of mass m is taken from the Earth's surface to a height equal to twice the radius of Earth. The change in potential energy of body will be. So according to this question, our aim is to find out what about the value of change in potential energy when an object of mass m is taken from the surface to a height equal to twice the radius. So this distance we can take it as that is equal to 2r. Now over here should not write the value of change in potential energy is equal to m into g into 2r, because that mgh is giving the potential energy with respect to considering the Earth's surface potential energy is 0, or for small values of h. We cannot use it for a distance something like 2r over here. So we need to find out the difference in actual potential energy. So we can write the change in potential energy is this is take it as potential energy final, and over here take it as potential energy initial. So you can write change in potential energy is potential energy final minus potential energy initial. Now what is final potential energy? Final potential energy is nothing but we need to write the actual potential energy. You should not write mgh format over here. Should go for actual potential energy, that is minus of gmm divided by, and distance we should be measured from the center of Earth. So from the center of Earth we can write distance will be equal to 3r. So this is final potential energy minus initial potential energy. It is not equal to 0. It is minus of gmm divided by r. So we can write what about the value of difference in potential energy over here, that is gmm by r if I am taking it as common. Remaining thing is minus 1 by r, and this negative and negative it becomes positive, so it is plus 1. So we can write this as gmm divided by r into 1 minus 1 by 3, which we can take it as nothing but 2 divided by 3. So this is 2 by 3. Now we would like to write the answer in terms of acceleration due to gravity on the surface. So what we'll do is we'll just multiply it with r and divided by r. So here we'll have a term of gm by r square. And we know that this gm by r square is acceleration due to gravity on the surface. So we can write this is equal to nothing but mg into r into 2 divided by 3. So that will give the value of change in gravitational potential energy.